In this video, I'll show you how to post a new job update on LinkedIn. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to LinkedIn. Then go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon labeled Me. Next, click on View Profile. Now, scroll down to the Experience section. In the top right of this section, tap on the plus or plus icon. From here, select Add Position. This is where you can add your new job. At the top, you'll see an option called Notify Network. Make sure this is turned on so your connections can see your job update. Now, fill in all the required details, such as your job title, company name, employment type, and other information you want to include. Once you've entered everything, tap on Save. After that, you'll have the option to share your new position with your network. Tap on Next, and then post the update. And that's it. Your job update will now be visible to your LinkedIn network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.